was in Everett, and they said, oh, there's been no recall. They don't know anything about it. Everything looks fine. And so I don't have my phone plugged in. I made it a point to not have my cell phone cord even plugged in, even though I know if there's no key in the car, it doesn't charge the phone. So everything seems to be fine, right? There's nothing. I'm sitting here completely dead, and I read about it. All the lights come, like, the dash lights come on okay. It's lit up, but there's absolutely nothing. There's no turnover. It's like there's a short somewhere. And I think it's just impossible for so many people to have put on different Hyundai Elantra boards and many different kinds. They talk about the exact same thing, and they all say the dealer just no idea what's going on. I tried to explain it, and they almost didn't want to look at it. They said they'd never heard of it before. And here I am. I'm stuck at work, and have to call somebody and see if there's anyone that can come give me a jump. And it's inconvenient. My car has low enough miles where I shouldn't have this problem. I have never had this problem of any of the vehicles that I've ever owned, and this is my first Hyundai vehicle. I think it's absolutely impossible that nobody from the dealership has ever heard of this before, because I said, oh, you can just go to Google and you can just search it. Put it in a Google search. Hyundai Elantra, ignition problems, 2012, engine won't turn over. And there are so many people with the exact same problem for a dealership to not know what's going on and have never heard of it before. Okay, awesome. Well, I'll be sitting here. I am sending this video to Hyundai of Everett. There's my radio coming on. When it turns back off, it just like doesn't quite have enough juice to start the car. So we'll see. I think it's a unfortunate thing that if there's a problem that they deny it. There was a problem with Ford Escort transmissions, and Ford lost a class action lawsuit because they, not just because they didn't recall it, but because they denied there was ever a problem. And there could be a time when I'm sitting in my car and I need to start it. I could be getting away from somebody. I could need to leave in case of an emergency, and boom, for no reason whatsoever, my car won't start. That's a major problem. It's a major problem for Hyundai to deny exists.